Okay, so while it is true that as far as price action goes, we have not seen any sort of bullishness with Bitcoin. We are, as you can see on the MACD indicator, still very much in bear mode. There is so much separation over here, and there's no telling when this is going to switch back to bull mode. And I did draw some trend lines before. I don't know why I deleted them. I had some trend lines going on showing a wedge pattern that we are going to go a bit lower with Bitcoin. However, if we go into the fundamental technological side of Bitcoin, there is some good news out, and this is in relation to Lightning Network. Okay, a version of Bitcoin's much anticipated Lightning Network is finally ready for real users. Announced today, California startup Lightning Labs has officially launched a beta version of its startup, making available what investors and project leads say is the first thoroughly tested version of the tech to date. This means that users can now leverage LND to send Bitcoin and Litecoin to other users, all without settling those transactions on the blockchain. So this is what I've talked about probably a few months back, which is those off-chain payment networks, okay? So let's go a little bit lower in the article. While this software is one of the several seeking to form a combined network that aims to make cryptocurrency transactions faster and cheaper, today's development effectively takes Bitcoin a step closer to new kinds of applications, such as Internet of Things, such as IoT, and recurring billing. That's because, similar to Bitcoin, the Lightning protocol isn't managed by any one person or company. It's a series of compatible technologies. Bitcoin-centric startups, Blockstream, and ACINQ have released software compliant with the candidate version 1.0 of the Lightning protocol specification released in January. Still, the Lightning Lab software is believed to be the most mature software to date, and investors are using the launch to signal their interest. Also revealed today, and this is the biggest part of this article, Lightning Labs has raised $2.5 million from nearly a dozen investors, including Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey and Litecoin creator Charlie Lee, as well as David Sacks, who he was a part of PayPal. While Dorsey and Reese's declined to comment, Sacks was vocal in his belief that the beta release marks a crucial moment in Bitcoin history. A lot of people know I have been very positive towards Lightning Network. I don't believe it's completely complete yet. Of course, there's still a lot more that needs to be done with it, but here we are with the release of the beta version. Of course, that's just the beta version. There's still going to be a ton more improvements that are needed, but I think long-term, Lightning Network is definitely a viable option for off-chain payment channels, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know the market is very bearish lately, but we got to hang in there because the technology is still evolving. We're still in our infancy. Cryptocurrency isn't even worth $1 trillion yet. Still so much room to grow. So definitely keep on hodling, buying, trading, doing what you know how to do, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.